camp was a little different. We had a Yiddish word of the day, that it was Jewish very differently than Shula was. That we didn't talk about Jewish holidays. The only time that we really talked about Jewish things was around Holocaust commemoration. But still, it wasn't specifically Jewish. We would talk about anybody who rose up and fought. We would talk about anybody who was a hero of the Holocaust, I guess. But besides the Yiddish word of the day, there was very little that was specifically Jewish. And camp, I think, worked hard to do that. That, like, there was this idea that if we're promoting diversity, then camp should be diverse. And so while it is a traditionally Jewish camp, it's definitely not a Jewish camp, or only Jewish camp, only for Jews.